Hey you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thanks so much for being here. I do a lot of meal prepping on my channel and a lot of keto recipes. So for this video today, I'm going to do a no-bake keto cheesecake. And this video is part of a collaboration that I'm doing with my friends, Kristy at Kristy's Farmhouse and Melissa at I Merely Melissa. So they're hosting this collaboration and I'm gonna link their channels in the description box, so click the description box below. And I'll also have a link to a playlist and it will take you to everybody's St. Patrick's Day dessert idea videos. And I cannot wait to see what everybody comes up with. I'm sure that there's gonna be so many fun St. Patrick's Day themed items. So I really can't wait. So for mine, I'm going to be doing an easy, you guys know if you've been around my channel, I love easy recipes, but an easy keto no-bake cheesecake, and I'm going to make it green so that it's festive for St. Patrick's Day. And I'm really just gonna use, I have just food coloring to make it green. But so I have all my ingredients here for my cheesecake. The crust is going to be an almond flour, so keeping it all keto. Almond flour, butter, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then some monk fruit sweetener. For all of the cheesecake filling, I have my cream cheese, some sour cream, heavy whipping cream, and then I have a powdered monk fruit sweetener, and then I'm just gonna use my green food coloring to make it nice and festive and green. So this is really fun. I'm gonna make these in individual little containers instead of a big cheesecake. So these are really fun to take to a party or really great to have an individual serving just in your fridge so you don't have to pull out the whole cheesecake. So it's gonna be really fun to make them in these little cups. I have these little glass cups. So I'm gonna get this all going. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell button next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of videos, lots of healthy meal prepping. So I hope that you go check all of those out. And leave me a comment if you have any questions on this one. Put a like on this video if you like it. And I will get all this cheesecake ready to go. So for the crust for the cheesecake, I'm using 2 cups of almond flour. So I'm just gonna make sure there aren't any clumps in it. I have 3 tablespoons of Swerve sweetener. It's a sugar substitute, 0 calorie. And then I have 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. So I'm going to add in also vanilla. I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then my 1/3 a cup of melted butter. And I'm just going to mix this all together and it's going to make the crust. So it just takes a little bit of mixing and it will all start sticking together. And this crust is really perfect for a cheesecake and keto friendly. So this is awesome. So I'm just going to mix it until it's all mixed together. All right, I have these cute little jars. They were actually yogurt jars that I got at the store and I just took the labels off. They're really perfect size for these little mini cheesecakes. So I'm going to put a couple of spoonfuls in the bottom of each one, and then I'm going to take my spoon and just kind of pat it down to make it nice and firm for this crust. So I'm just going to take my spoon, and you can also, if you want, push it down with your fingers, but the spoon works really perfect with these jars. So I'm just going to fill each one of these up, and then they'll be ready for me to put the filling in. But while I'm making the filling, these will set up. You can put them in the refrigerator to set to make them a little bit more firm if you'd like. But this crust is so good and so easy, and I just love that it's keto friendly also. This recipe is awesome because it's no bake. I just love easy recipes. You guys know if you've been around my channel, all my recipes are super easy, healthy, and quick. So this one is definitely no exception. I love no bake desserts, and cheesecake is definitely my favorite. And I love all keto recipes, so this one is really great. So for the filling, I have 2 bricks of cream cheese, and I have half a cup of sour cream. And then I am using a powdered Swerve sweetener, and it is just like a sugar substitute, but it's the powdered form. And then I have my heavy whipping cream. So I have 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and I used a cup of the powdered monk fruit. And then I have my vanilla extract again, and I'm going to mix this all up. And then to make it green, I'm just going to use some regular food coloring, but I'm going to mix this all first, and then it'll be so nice and perfect filling for these mini no-bake cheesecakes. So I had my cream cheese at room temperature for a little bit to make it a little bit soft so that it mixes really well and becomes nice and smooth and creamy. These are perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I just love a little festive dessert. So the green is awesome. You can make it as dark or as light, have a little mint green for these. I'm just going to spoon it into each jar, and so I'll take a couple spoonfuls and then kind of push it down a little bit to get any air out. And then these are so perfect. I'm going to let them set up in the refrigerator for about 4 hours to get them a little bit firm, but these are seriously the best. This is the best keto cheesecake I've had in a really long time. So it's so easy and so delicious. I hope that you guys enjoyed these for a little St. Patrick's Day treat. And these are so awesome. I have other keto dessert recipes, and so check out that playlist that I have on my channel with lots of fun keto dessert ideas. I make some Reese's peanut butter cups that are homemade. Those are really awesome too if you're looking for some keto dessert ideas. So these are really fun, perfect for St. Patrick's Day, and really easy to make. You guys know how much I love easy recipes. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. I have tons of new videos coming out, and I just love doing these collaborations around the holidays. So this one is really awesome to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. All right, you guys, so these little mini green keto cheesecakes are all done. So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna set them up in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I'm gonna take these over to my parents' house later. We're gonna have dinner. So these are gonna be a perfect dessert for all of us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box. It'll have tons of St. Patrick's Day themed desserts for you guys if you want to try them. So thanks so much for watching this. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of keto recipes, lots of meal prepping, and so I hope that you guys enjoy them all. Go check out some of my other videos when you're done with this one. Hope that you have a really great day. Hope that you have a fun, festive, and safe St. Patrick's Day coming up. I hope that this collaboration gives you some ideas for some nice treats to make for your friends and family. So I'm going to get these all chilled up, and I hope that you all have a really great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.